Honorable Vice President of India, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu ji, Honorable Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare, Shri Ashwini Kumar Chaube ji, President NBE, Dr. Abhijat Seth, Vice President NBE, Dr. Nikki Tandon, Vice President NBE, Dr. D.K. Sharma, Executive Director and Vice President NBE, Dr. Rashmikant Dave, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor for me to participate in the 19th convocation ceremony of the National Board of Examinations and to speak up to an audience that includes young, fresh, and talented faces, and also senior and experienced faculty members of national repute. From the bottom of my heart, I congratulate all the graduate and postgraduate doctors who have been conferred DNB qualification in this convocation. It is because of your hard work and long working hours that you are here today. Congratulations to the families of the students whose motivation, encouragement, sacrifice, and constant support has guided you all through a difficult and arduous journey to reach today's milestone. I also thank the teachers and professors who have mentored the young doctors of the country and provided them with an opportunity to acquire knowledge, competence, and skills. Ladies and gentlemen, convocation is an opportunity for all of us to come together and to resolve to move forward in the interest of the organization, society, and the nation. It is an opportunity to celebrate, honor the achievements, respect the faculty, and to make a pledge that we will always follow the righteous path throughout our lives. For those who are getting their degrees, the challenges of life have just begun, and nobody knows in what manner the challenges will unfold themselves. From a protective atmosphere of being a student and always being worked under supervision, you will now enter into a world where you will be expected to work and take decisions independently and will be fully liable for all your actions. It is here that your knowledge and skills, coupled with experience of the learned seniors, will guide you to make a remarkable impact on the society and achieve success in the true means. A country can only develop if its manpower is healthy. A sick community cannot prosper and move to newer domains. It is a prime responsibility of the medical fraternity of the country to provide right and affordable primary, secondary, tertiary, and rehabilitative health care to the citizens of the nation. We need to focus on providing adequate number of healthcare services providers through capacity building without affecting the quality of healthcare services. And to achieve this objective, we need teachers to train the human resource in healthcare delivery. The government has taken several steps on this front by increasing the number of medical colleges in the country, converting the district hospitals into medical colleges, introduction of NEET at all levels to get rid of multiple entrance exams and to ensure greater transparency. But this is an uphill task, and we require commitment from governmental and the non-governmental organizations to come forward and achieve our goals. In this regard, I take this opportunity to applaud NBE, which is producing more than 8,000 specialists every year in a transparent manner using a low cost-effective model of selection, training, and teaching of medical graduates and postgraduates. NBE has been in the forefront in supporting the cause of medical education. Continuous capacity building by the National Board of Examination will go a long way in providing affordable health care. The National Board of Examinations has to challenge itself and raise its output in the interest of the community. It has to come out with newer courses and innovative ideas so that the gap between doctors available and the doctors required lessens and a wide variety of specialists are available for the service of the nation. It should focus into starting newer courses to attract more talent and also look into the feasibility of having more 5 to 6 years post-MBBS courses. I strongly believe with this kind of network of hospitals with which NBE functions, this is achievable. My dear young doctors, remember that learning does not stop here. It is a continuous process and it is lifelong. Your daily experience of life with your patients and colleagues will be your new teachers. As you move in your life, and I hope you will never lose the desire to learn and enhance yourself and to bring positive change in your environment. Speaking to young, energetic, and bright doctors of the country, I am also feeling very enthusiastic and full of energy. As you soar on and achieve newer heights, always be thankful to those with whose support, motivation, and guidance you have acquired this position. This convocation is a transformation from a student life to a professional life, and I wish you great success, happiness, and peace in your life. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.